channel. It's your flight attendant Pinky. For today, I am in Wayne Day Club and I wanted to show you guys around.
ENCORE Beach Club is located outside of the ENCORE Casino. They open from Thursday through Sunday. Talk to a host to put you on a guest list so you can get free admission. If you wonder what is a beach club, make sure you keep on watching because I'm about to show you guys around ENCORE Beach Club. This is what it looks like from upstairs. It's a typical Thursday, so it's not as busy. Pools are just normal size, not too big in my opinion. What do you guys like the most when you go to a beach day club? Make sure you leave me a comment down below. What I love the most is chilling with my girlfriend at a pool party, taking silly photos and videos. I am a new YouTuber, so I like to film cool things to do in Las Vegas and my life when I'm not flying as a flight attendant. Check out my other pool videos as you will see more of Las Vegas and the coolest things to do here. Subscribe to my channel so you will get the latest trend of Las Vegas and a sneak peek into some coolest place you would never imagined. Stay tuned for my behind-the-scenes bonus clip. This is me trying to film a footage where I walk towards the camera. So now I am walking away first, going there to get my sunglasses first. So when I'm walking towards the camera, I could look cooler and try to be a supermodel.
Oh no!
Telling my girlfriend filming me here looking at the view.